wild weather across the valley on this Wednesday. Join us tomorrow for our Shields Weather Kid program. Same time, same place. Mason Riedemeyer from Cathedral Elementary will help me figure out this weather that has been, well, at least a little bit unsettled as we've gone through our day. A lot of wind, and that wind from the north cooling things off. Wind chills in the teens and 20s today at times. Heavier snow down toward the Twin Cities, points north between there and Duluth right now, where we see the deeper blue colors. Right now we're seeing a little bit of a break in the middle, and we'll talk about that momentarily. Rain to the north. A little bit of an odd setup. We'll explain. First and foremost, we have snow spreading from the north central portion of Minnesota right into Lakes Country right now, with showing up of rain moving into Grand Forks, Fargo, and the Red River Valley. As we take you in a little bit closer, Otter Tail County from Fergus north to Pelican and into the Detroit Lakes area, seeing a band of snow work its way through. Again, pushing down to the south with more of it on the way from your north and east. As we look into the FM area right now and up toward Grand Forks, we do have moisture making its way in. Unknown precipitation right now reported at the Crookston Airport. But if we could see, it's probably some of that graupel or sleet, maybe even mixing with snow. But rain reported in Grand Forks and north of the FM area right now. But as we shift off into Polk County, Fosston snowing, Bemidji right now. And this whole area where we're seeing this blank spot is really in between radars, those radar beams going up at an angle, shooting over the top of those shallow snowing clouds. I've confirmed there's some pretty good flakes of snow going on for Babe the Blue Ox right there in Bemidji right now. So we have bands of light to moderate snowfall taking place as we head through the evening. The cold air continues to spill down in this southerly direction. On this side of the storm, we have warm air rising up over the top and melting snowflakes up at cloud level to raindrops, and that's why our northern counties are seeing sprinkles of rain on top of the snow that they got earlier today that accumulated anywhere from an inch to an inch and a half in some pictures that we saw. Thanks for sharing on Facebook. 39 right now, feeling like 28. Wind chilly degrees, gusts from the northwest start at 30 miles per hour. Mid-30s across much of eastern North Dakota. Low 30s, though, as we look in towards Bemidji and Detroit Lakes. Upper 30s here in the valley, holding things at rain for now. Here is a look at the gusty winds, gusting to 30 to 40 miles per hour. And that means the wind is going to continue this evening. A wind advisory for all of our western counties and the Red River Valley counties of Minnesota and North Dakota. By 7 to 8 o'clock tonight, look at this, staying rain up north with temperatures actually steady to maybe even slowly rising in a couple locations. And Bemidji out towards Fosston and points south through Lakes Country, continued snow potential. And that means it will accumulate on grassy areas, gusty winds into the evening hours. Fargo, Moorhead, and Grand Forks have a slight chance of some snowflakes mixing in this evening, but it doesn't look like we'll see the quantity or potential for accumulating snowfall in grassy areas like our neighbors to the east. The snow continues as we go toward 10 o'clock to move south towards Interstate 94, and then quickly dries out as we head through the overnight hours, but we stay gusty overnight. Out to the west is where we'll find chilly morning lows in the mid-30s. Elsewhere, thanks to cloud cover, a blanket of warmth, and gusty winds to start our day, we'll see improving sky conditions out west midday, and then the rest of us might get a chance at some sun as we go through the late afternoon and evening. Temperatures tomorrow, well, a little better, but at least it looks like a dry day, and the wind finally dies off in the late evening hours. There'll be a chance of isolated 1 inch or 1.5 inch snow totals even into the late hours tonight. Fargo's planner, temperatures nearly steady, cloudy skies, spotty showers, gusty northwest winds. Rise and shine tomorrow, and temperatures rise into the 40s out there with a northwest wind decreasing late in the day. Here's a look at your planning forecast. 4 o'clock in the afternoon, a lot of 40 to 45 degree readings out to the west, and we're talking 30s out to the east. Take a look at this picture. Thanks so much. A snowy scene near Grigla. Wow, and still some snow or rain mixed with snow taking place there right now. Planning forecast looks like this. We're talking about improving conditions. Friday, quiet, 53. It does look like trick-or-treaters are going to enjoy a plentifully nice Saturday. Near 60, near 61 on Sunday as we enjoy an extra hour of sleep, provided we don't forget to turn our clocks back an hour on Saturday night.
But a pretty nice weekend for trick-or-treating.
Looks good, you bet.
All right, thanks, Hutch. Coming up.